I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description.
Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James the Guru. I'm back again with another unboxing video. And today, if you watched my previous video, you know I just got a stand for my computer monitors. Today, I've got my second. I already had a monitor like this, but I bought another one, so I have two of the exact same monitor. This is a central curved monitor. A CF390 is the model number. Easy on your eyes with best-in-class curvature of 1800R resolution, that is. Immersive gaming experience with FreeSync technology, super slim design. 24-inch. So this is the top. It's made by Samsung, if you didn't catch that. So let's open this up. As you know, I got my best grandpa ever knife, thanks to my grandkids. They hit me off with the grandpa knife. Let's pop this baby over and see what we got. Best grandpa ever. Yes, sir. Alright, let's open this baby up. They look like they packed this pretty well. Now, right here on the box, you'll notice it says control stick position. It has the power on, power off, the menu. So basically, it's telling you how to operate it right in the corner. Like I said, I've got another monitor just like this. I'm going to show you guys. So I already know, because I already got one just like it. So inside the box, of course, we have the stand. We have the stand foot. We have the manual here. The manual. Oh, they gave me an HDMI cord. HDMI cord and a power cord. And what we got here? Oh, what is this? Oh, this the power? Yeah, this is great. Oh, okay. So this is a double-edged power source. So okay. So it plugs in. Okay. And then that goes into the back. Oh, this is different. The one I got now don't really have this little block. It's a straight shot. So we got that. So we put all this on the side. Yeah, they packed it real nice, you guys. Sound like that. They got this little foam piece that goes on the top. Make sure there's no static. You know what? Let me make sure I ain't got no static either. You wanna do that? Hit something. And make sure you don't have no static. Here's the actual monitor here. You want to always inspect your stuff. Make sure there ain't nothing happen on the way here. Always something going on. So there's the empty box right there. We're going to put this on the side. Here's the actual monitor. You see it's got a little curvature to it. So let me reach down here. I'm not going to actually put the foot on it because, like I said, I'm going to sit it on my actual stand. Woo! There's the actual monitor right there, as you can see. We're looking good. It's got the curvature to it. Samsung. I already got one just like this. Just like my other one, around the back, we got the brackets right here to put it on the mount. So that's what I like. Sit this, let me see, will it sit down? Make sure. Yep, we're going to sit it down right there. And what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to put the brackets on that I'm going to use. But while I go get that, watch this video, and this is how my whole setup going to look, just like this. Alright, you guys, I'm back. I'm going to set this up here real carefully, and I'm going to try to show you guys how. Here's my mount right here. They're going to put on the back because I have to set up on the monitor. So I just go right here. I'm going to put one there. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so bear with me. I bring the other one up. Bingo. And this is the bracket that I'm going to use to where it sits on top of the mount. Right there. And right there. So you just want to just kind of hand tighten these up, not too much. And now this is all set to sit on my bracket. Now I'm going to set this on my bracket and show you how both of them look. And you can see how the Samsung monitor looks. Putting this on, you definitely want to make sure you put this bolt right here. It's a bolt that goes on top of it. This just slides on top of the rack. And you want to make sure you put that bolt on top of it. And it sits just like that. So I like it. You can adjust it all different types of angles. This is real nice. Sits up real pretty. So it's real nice. And that's what I said. So make sure you got your 4 holes in the back of it right there. As you can see, you guys, I have one monitor right here. So I already got one of the Samsung monitor. This is where my other one's getting ready to go. This is an old monitor I was using with that one. But this goes to actually to another system. So here's the little mounting right here. I'm getting ready to set this up. That way I have 2 monitors going on, the same one, and I'd be set. Hey, if you didn't watch that video, I just put up a video before this one on how to set up this mount. So make sure you watch that video. I'm going to put it somewhere at the top and show you about the mount that I'm using for these 2. So let's show you the finished product of the 2 monitors. Alright, as you guys can see, I got both. Well, I already had this monitor hooked up. But I've got the second monitor hooked up. This is the new one right here. And you can see what I got it on. Got it on the Thomas channel. Hey, make sure you guys go to my gaming channel. I got a gaming channel called Guru James where I do gaming and crypto right there. Make sure y'all subscribe to both of them. I know you subscribe to this one you're on right now, Thomas channel. But there's the monitors right there. There's the setup. I got my little RGB lights running there. I got my camera right there, and I got my microphone set right here. So this is our entire setup right there. Also, I got my light, my green screen right there. So this is my gaming setup. Hope you guys enjoyed. This basically was an unboxing right here. Show you how you set the screens up. Make sure you watch that video on how I set the stand up, because the stand is the key. Now this is pretty level, but I want to be moving it around a little bit, and I noticed that when I moved the stand, like when I brought the monitors to the front a little bit, it kind of wanted to tip to the front. So I just had some little bitty weights around, so I just put some weights on the bottom just in case, I'm not around. I didn't want somebody to bump it or something and knock it over. So, just double check, your levelness as far as, how you got your monitors, because the more you bring the monitors in, the more they're going to it want to tilt toward the front there. So just keep in mind on how you level them out there. Make sure they're level on the side, and that's it. Hey, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Got me 2 Samsung monitors ready to go. Hey, it is better to have the same monitor. If you're going to do a double monitor setup like that, make sure you have the same monitor. It makes it a lot easier. You can use 2 different monitors, but it's a lot easier if you use the same monitor. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing setup video / setup. This is the Guru. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.